Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to find ads you've seen on YouTube mobile. So let's get started. So first, I'm gonna try to get an ad by watching a video so I can show you. Alright, we got an ad. So now, let me show you how to watch this ad again, or how to see it again if you already skipped it or the ad has already finished. So first, exit the video, then click your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now head over to Settings. Here, click Manage All History. And as you can see, the ad we just watched is right there. And from here you can watch it again. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.